Sri Lanka's nearly 30 years old war is near its end due to the successful implementation of the humanitarian operations. As the humanitarian operations are near its end, government has proposed many options to the remaining LTT cadres to renounce violence and join the government forces and surrender and rescue the remaining Tamil citizens, Tamil civilians. Among these frustrated and suffering Tamil civilians, we have experienced influx of many people coming from different walks of life. Among them were senior LTT cadres and people who have worked for the LTT outfit. We are glad to talk to two persons who have worked for the LTT outfit in two different roles. One as interpreter for the head of political wing, Mr. S.P. Thamil Selvan, and also the media coordinator. They are with me today for this discussion. George Master, he is the interpreter for the head of political affairs of the LTT.
And I was lucky. I was able to cross over, and here I am. Adults or old people volunteered to just come closer to me and then hold me by his hands and then said, see ya, Bayonde Pamangan.
இவர்கள் போராட்டத்தில் வற்புறுத்தல் மூலம் இணைத்திருக்கிறார்கள். அப்போது வற்புறுத்தல் மூலம் இணைக்கின்ற போது பெற்றோர்கள் அதனை எதிர்க்கிறார்கள், எதிர்த்து தாக்குகிறார்கள்.